My dear viewers, pay attention to today's show because I'm gonna give you my special recipe of a blend of natural remedies and plants that can help you a lot to prevent upper respiratory tract infection. For everyone who wants to quickly prevent colds, viruses and flu, this tea is a wonderful natural remedies. Echinacea, hyssop, peppermint and the thyme are perfect plants that will help you. Today, they give you a recipe for this herbal tea, which you will make in dose of 35 servings. Recipe: 50 mg dried, chopped, cut and steeped echinacea root, 25 mg dry hyssop, 25 mg dry peppermint, 25 mg dry thyme, 2 cups of boiling water per dose, raw honey or stevia for sweetening, optional. First, in a medium bowl, combine echinacea root, hyssop, peppermint and the thyme. Second, transfer the tea blend to airtight container, label and date the blend. Third, to prepare a serving of tea, put 2 tablespoons of dried herb mixture in the 2 cups of boiling water and allow the herbs steep for the 10 to 15 minutes. Fourth, strain in the large mug, compose the solid, sweeten with the honey if using, drink the entire dose 3 times a day until symptoms subside. Store the loose tea in the cool, dry place, out of direct sunlight, up for the 1 year. All of these natural remedies are perfect for your upper respiratory tract infection. This blend of these special herbs is gonna help you a lot. Why you not make this special tea? Store it in your closet, in your kitchen. Every time you want to prevent, if you have any kind of this problem, it's gonna help you a lot. Before we continue with the show, I want to recommend you my book that is called Intermittent Fasting: The Secret of Health and Longevity. It's officially on sale in Croatian, English, German and Polish. You can buy the book immediately via MarioLab.hr website. Why you should have this book? First of all, you will learn how to properly practice intermittent fasting, which is the most powerful tool for preserving your health. My book will teach you how to protect yourself from the cancer, prevent heart attack and stroke, dementia, lose weight naturally, preserve joint health and much more in perfectly natural way. Don't miss this unique opportunity to learn how intermittent fasting can improve your health and extend your lifespan. If you want to learn a lot more about natural remedies that can help you a lot with upper respiratory tract infections, click here on this video. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.